So today we're also going to install something new for our GPU, which is it's help us stabilize it. Pretty much that's what it is, to make sure that this doesn't tilt, or even if I drop it, it won't break the actual GPU. So we're going to open it up and set it up. This is a whole setup. They give you a level. These go into the fans. All right, two of these hang on to the fan, and I'm going to show you guys how they work. And in this part right here, you have to find your way to the center. This is a little dial thing that they have. If you guys can see, a little grip on, and this part right here, you gotta adjust it. So in order to get in here, you gotta go in through the back, I believe. Is it? Yeah. So it's a rail system. So there it is. And then you gotta find this part here and set it up, roll it. And this part is the part that's going to be high, but then you have the actual this is going to be sticking out. This is going to be like this pretty much. All right, you got two fans that grabs onto the actual whole entire unit. It goes like this. You got to make sure it's on the top, but do not mess with the fans. So you have to adjust it somehow like that. And I would do it from the back if it's possible. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to do it from here. This is probably going to be the best way. So let me set up the whole entire thing, and they give you the screws too. Now that it's a little tight here, we'll push it up a little bit more. Here, just in the edge part of it, we'll lock it in place. They give you a screw, and this is a hand one, right? So I don't want to mess with the fan. I should move the whole thing too. But it's right on the edge. It's not going to hit the fan, so we're okay there. Just lock it in place. And that's pretty much it. Keep it there. It's away from the fan. Make sure it spins. This thing won't move at all. You guys can see. So that's what I want to see. And let me tilt it so you guys can see it. But let me tie these screws because they're a little loose. And that's it. Let's pick it up. I constantly move my computer around the whole room, so I hate to find out I cracked a very expensive GPU. So that's why I highly recommend this thing. I mean, you see bells and whistles. It doesn't match with my color. It doesn't have anything, but it saves me a lot of money for breaking the GPU anytime I move the system. So very simple to use and install. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.